Hey, this is Overpass Insights. My name is Eric and I make apps. I want to respond to a comment we got yesterday from Antonio R about automatic updates. Hi Eric, thank you for your videos and they've been very helpful. Android Studio has had an update for the IDE and now my Android app isn't working properly. Do you always update the IDE or do you avoid updating it as long as possible? And it's something throughout the course of my career that software developers were always talking about. Are you the kind of developer who turns on automatic updates? Like, it used to be when I was a web developer and everything was on the server, it was like, do you allow the server to have automatic updates? In that case, the answer was always, hell no. Like, there's nothing worse than as a software developer where you have something that's working one day and it's not working the next day and you have no idea why. But as an app developer or a client-side developer, you've always got to be thinking about your users. Your users are going to have automatic updates. Now, when it comes to an IDE, for the most part, it shouldn't mess up your code, right? You might be able to go into the build.gradle file and be able to set it back to an earlier version of Android, but you know, it could still happen. Right now, I have automatic updates on everything. So when Xcode updates, it'll update my IDE, which is sometimes a problem. Like every so often, I'll go to run something, and for whatever reason, it's not working anymore, and that kind of sucks. To answer your question, Antonio, me personally, I turn on automatic updates, but I know a lot of developers were like, no, they don't do it at all. They'll turn off automatic updates so they can keep working and they don't have that distraction. I always think they're just kicking the can down the road because at some point they're going to have to deal with that distraction later, and it's probably better to bite the bullet now. There's nothing worse than like you're going to do something like a simple label change or change the color of something and then you spend 2 hours updating some code that doesn't work or something like that. But I find that's pretty rare.